Today's video, I'll show you how to add a carbon copy recipient in Docusign so you can keep someone in the loop without requiring their signature. First, head over to docusign.com and log in with your account. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Templates section. Find the template you'd like to use, then click the three dots next to it and select Edit. Inside the editing interface, you'll see recipient roles. By default, it's set to Needs to Sign. Instead, select Receives a Copy. This ensures the recipient will get an email with the completed document but won't be asked to sign it. Enter their name and email address, then double-check the details to make sure everything is accurate. Once saved, your template is ready. Now, whenever you send this document, that person will automatically get a copy, and that's it. You've added a carbon copy recipient in Docusign. It's a simple way to keep stakeholders informed and your communication clear. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tutorials.